Welcome to this episode of Shift. I'm your host, Palmonia Gordon, and as I told you, we're traveling. Do you find yourself saying, I'm tired a lot, or know someone who does? Put a yes in the comment if that's you. There is no doubt you have reason to feel that way. But what if I told you there's an easy way to change that? It's called order it. I help women who are struggling in their business and relationship to create a conscious awareness of their words and the effect of what they say, teaching them to understand their words and how to correct their language. Instead of saying, I'm tired, they learn to say what they really want. I need more sleep, or I need more rest. Because every time you speak a word, it goes out, it finds the picture that looks like what you have spoken, and it brings it back to you magnified. Order it is something I actually wrote about in a book titled by the same name. Learning how to shift your language works well when you have tools to help you, like knowing the difference between constructive words that build up and destructive words that tear down, as well as the 3 key words to remove from your vocabulary, like I'm tired, or I'm broke, or I cannot afford that, and to replace them with words that truly represent what you desire. If you would like help to become more aware of the effect of your words, please subscribe to my list and I can get that tool to you. The best way to subscribe to my list is to go to palmoniagordon.com. So put a yes in the comment if you are ready to start changing your language, and if you will tag 3 people. I encourage you to tag 3 people that you believe needs to hear about this too. Thank you. Shift, thank you for joining us on this episode.